This is Biotronix latest elbow CPM device. You can see how the device looks like that. This is the elbow CPM, very compact model, but with the very powerful feature. I will explain later. You can see this is remote controlled. This is the remote. You can see this is the remote, and this is the device. This is the angle indication, and this is a motorized electrical device. You can see I have already tied the patient. This is the first strap and this is the second strap. So now I will show you the demo of the device one by one, explaining all the feature. So the first feature is start. I start the same. I just started the same. Then you can see the movement over here. You can see this is the flexion and now elbow stretch. So this is the elbow stretch. So you can see the motion of the elbow. This is the flexion. You can see this is the flexion and this is the extension. So this is the continuous motion. It will keep on doing the same, and whenever I want to pause the same, I can click on the pause button. Like I pause the same over here. So now you can see if I want to stop the same in between, I need to click on the pause. So this is pause now. Start, started. You can see this is the stretch. Now it is flexion now. Like I want to stop the same in between at some angle. Like if the stiffness is there, I need to stop. I need to click on the pause. It will be pause there. So this is the continuous CPM machine, and also I have the like I can operate the same manually too. If I want to stretch the hand, this is in the total flexion mode. If I want to increase the, if I want to stretch the same manually, I will start the device. Pause. Now I will show you. If I want to stretch the same manually, I keep on pressing the button. This is the stretch button. You can see this is the stretch button. This is the stretch button. This is the flexion. This is the manual control. So now it is totally stretched. Now I will press the same. I will keep on pressing, keep on pressing, keep on pressing.